Hi and welcome. If you're dealing with low back pain that just won't quit, today I'm going to show you a two-step SI joint reset that'll help give you relief and build long-term stability with some gentle stretching and isometric exercises. You'll want to have a yoga block, firm pillow, or an exercise ball so that you can hold it between your thighs as we do the isometric exercises. Let's get started. Starting today in child's pose, your knees are wide, allow your bottom to fall towards your heel and your belly just to rest between the thighs and arms over your head, elbows bent comfortably. The goal here is gentle relief. We're calming everything down, releasing the tight muscles, and preparing our body for the reset. Not forcing anything, just moving slowly. Stretching the hips, thighs, and low back, creating space and easing pressure. Holding here for 3 or 4 breaths, and with each exhale, just allow the hips and the glutes and thighs, your low back, to relax. From here, we'll move to cat-cow. So bring yourself up to a table, wrists under your shoulders, knees under your hips. Tuck your chin to chest, round your back up, and tuck the pelvis under for your cat pose. And then drop the belly down, lift the chest up, and tuck the pelvis in the opposite direction. Round down for your cat pose again. And then drop the belly down for cow. One more time, cat. And drop down for your cow. And then find your neutral spine, and we'll come around and onto our backs from here. Once you're there, bend your knees and place your feet flat on the floor about hip-width distance apart. Rest your shoulders down and back, normal curve in your spine. Bring your arms out to a T. Exhale, tuck your belly button into your spine, and then carefully lift the hips just a tiny bit up off the floor. Keeping your low back pressed down into the mat. And then bring it down slowly and carefully, and tuck the pelvis down and towards the floor. Lift the hips up once again. This should be a very tiny movement. Lower back down, press the pelvis down in the floor. And we'll continue this movement a few more times. Your abdominal muscles and your glutes are working throughout the motion. Lift up again and lower down. Take a breath in, exhale, belly button to your spine. Lift the hips one more time up. Glutes and abdominals engaged, and then lower down. And our next pose will be bridge pose, which helps to strengthen the muscles that surround the SI joint, the hamstrings, the lower back, and the glutes. Rest your shoulders down and back, feet are about a hand's width distance from your bottom. Take a breath in, tuck the belly button into your spine, press into your feet, and lift the hips up. See if you can make a nice straight line between the knees, hips, and shoulders. Holding here about 2 more breaths. Slowly lower back down, controlled all the way. Take a breath in again. Exhale, belly button into your spine. Press into your feet and lift the hips up once again. Lifting your hips towards the ceiling, pressing into the insides of your feet and big toes, not allowing the knees to fall out. And then gently lower down again. Breath in, exhale, belly button into your spine. Press into the feet, lift the hips one more time. Think about that nice straight line, knees, hips, shoulders. Keep breathing. Don't hold your breath. Slowly and controlled, lower back down. Okay, here's where you'll need that block. So reach for your block and bring it over. Place your prop between your knees that are about hip-width distance apart, just below the knee joint. And then place your arms down by your sides, normal curve in your back. Take a breath in, belly button into your spine, and just squeeze the block in as you exhale. Keep breathing. Few more seconds. Relax the legs. Breath in, exhale, squeeze the legs in. Keep squeezing, firm but gentle pressure. Few more seconds. And relax. We have 2 more. Firm but gentle pressure. Squeeze in and breathe. Holding that firm pressure. And relax. One more time, here we go. Squeeze in, keep breathing, gentle pressure, holding, little longer, and release. Remove your block and set it aside. And for the second part of our SI reset, you can just use your hands, placing them on the outsides of your knees below the joint. Lift the legs so that the knees are right over your hips. We'll press in with the hands as you press out with your knees. Begin. Press and hold, gentle pressure. Few more seconds and release. We'll do that again. And press. Keep holding, gentle pressure, and release. One more time. Press, hold, push out with the knees, in with the hands, and release. Allow your feet to come back down to the floor, and we'll end with a gentle stretching sequence. Bring your arms out to the sides with the palms up to a T. Shift the hips over to the left and drop your knees to the right. Just one knee stacked on top of the other. Relaxing the shoulders down and back on the mat, a gentle twist in the spine, and a gentle stretch in the low back and the hips. Just relax and focus on your breath. With each exhale, the muscles relax just a bit more, letting all that good work sink in. Doing this exercise sequence once or even twice a day can help to relieve that low back pain often caused by the SI joint. Now carefully bring the knees back up to the center. Shift your hips over to the right and drop the knees to the left. Again, one just stacked on top of the other for an easy spinal twist. Keeping the shoulders down and on the mat if you can. Not forcing any position. Find a comfortable place to rest here. Easing back off the twist a little bit if you need to. You could even place a block between the knees or a pillow if that's more comfortable for you. Holding here just another breath or two. Carefully bring the knees back up to the center and adjust your spine so that it's in a straight alignment. Maybe you place your hands on your belly, your feet a little wider apart, and allow the knees to knock in together for a constructive rest pose. And I invite you to close your eyes here. Your only job now is to relax and allow your pelvis and spine to settle into a neutral and balanced position. Allowing your body to integrate the reset and fully absorb the benefits. And you could stay here as long as you like. but I'll leave you in about 1 minute. Remember, consistency is the key to getting better, and following this video once a day can help you get there. If you found this video helpful, maybe subscribe to find more ways to build a strong, pain-free body. And I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Let me know how this sequence feels, or maybe there's another area of the body you'd like me to cover. Peace be with you, and thank you so much for joining me. I'll see you next time. Bye.